Alright, I hope that this thing doesn't switch on me. It might, but my snowblower quit working after I did street in an alleyway. I thought it was stretched, but see this thing here, it's all weird little hook in that. This used to hook into here, and it used to go up behind that nut. Well, once that went out, I mean, the snowblower went out, I couldn't have nothing to adjust it. You can't adjust the cable, you can't adjust none of these things. Even the spring here has the damn cable in there, and you can't adjust anything. So, being as I'm my grandfather's grandson, I went and made my own bar and put it in there and swung it up around. This bracket was here, but it held this behind that bolt, the screw, and held it in this little spot right here. See, there's this little spot right in here. And that's where it used to go, behind that nut, and this piece of metal didn't do nothing but hold this in there. So I utilized this little hole here and then made it so it's adjustable. So if it's too tight, because this moves from the cable, I can adjust this nut and then move this, and it'll shove this that way or pull it that way by adjusting this metal bar off of that nut. And the nut's tight to the other side, it don't move at all. So I fixed a problem that I guess John Deere never even knew they had, where you can't adjust the cable and you can't adjust the belts. There's no belt adjustment on these things, and there's no cable adjustment. So I inadvertently fixed the problem. If there is a cable adjustment in here somewhere, somebody let me know. But see, there's the tensioner up there, and there's no adjustments up there. So if anybody works with John Deere, and you know, if John Deere D110 with a snowblower has an adjustment for either this here, which there's no adjustment in here. This one is solid. See, that's solid. There's no adjustment there. There's no adjustment down here. Now, they did that probably so that you'd take it to the service center and have somebody say, oh, you need a belt, and then you need a cable, you know. But I don't have time to take it to the service center, and we're in a level 3. So when you need shit, you need shit now. All right, she's fixed.